Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. In this session of video, I am going to talk about the function objects. Function objects are quite a lot used in C++, especially in C++ 98 standard, but in C++ X11 standard, function object is not much important as it used to be. In this session anyway, I'm going to talk about function object. If you want to learn more about C++ programming language, please visit this website. Then you can watch my other videos and also you can download the sample source code. Okay, let's get started. I created a simple console application. Now I will add some header files, include first IO stream, then I will include functional for functional object, for example. Then I will also include algorithm. Then I will include a vector for testing purpose. Then okay, now using namespace std, save it. We close it now here. Before we talk about function object, I will digress a little bit. Some easy to work is to facilitate our work. Void nl. I create a simple function like this: std cout std nl. Because we are using it a lot, I made a simple nl new line function. Then I will create template, type name t, using vctr vector t std vector t. I'm making like a using statement. Then I will create template, type name t. I will overload std. I will define an operator or string and operator std or string os. Then constant vctr t. vctr means vector. Then t cntr means container. So if cntr empty means it has no element, then I will simply return os. Else otherwise it has element. Now I say auto before end. Then cntr cend returns past last element. So if I minus it means before end element. So this is before end element, right before the end, second to the end. It means second to the end element. Okay, then OS we are printing out here for auto and ITR CNTR C begin. Then ITR not equal before and plus ITR. Then OS ITR. Then OS before and now we close. Then std and there Okay, then we return OS. We'll use this function, this operator function, quite a lot in this session and also in future. So save it. Now we are testing it. So you can say std, no, bctr t int. We are creating a vector. It is the same as b. I will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elements I initialized. Save it. Now we are printing std cout b like this. Control F9. I missed one. Okay. Vector B elements are properly displayed. For this means std vector int. Okay. Now we are using function. Let's see. We added algorithm. So we want to sort. We want to sort this algorithm, this vector in. It is in ascending order right now. We want to sort it descending order. Then we can do also sort v begin then b end. Then we need a function operator or function here at this point. We say std generate greater int. Then let's see std cout b. This is actually a function object defined in functional H. In here, functional H, it is defined, predefined functional object. So let's run. Okay, it is sort 9, 10, 9. It is sorted in descending order. Sorted in descending order. Then how do we make this? This is actually a functional object. Function object. Say we can make it the same using. We can make it the same using our own function. We will define like a struct greater. Greater. Now we are defining here struct. Return value should be bool. It requires a bool to greater or less. Then operator. Then we define. Then this function, this is of class struct. This is a member function, operator function of parentheses. Here, int. I will say constant int reference left, constant int reference right. Now we define return left, this right. Then we define this greater structure. Now we can pass it to here. No, we will. Okay, we will pass it to here. Here, like this. Now let's run it. Sorry, it should be like this. Okay, it's sorted. Okay, so actually this std greater this and this is the same actually. So this is called function object. Function object is a class, an object Function object, yeah. Function object is a class or a structure that has operator. Operator for parentheses are defined like this. We can make it greater class the same way as in standard template library. We can define it like this. Template type name T, and we can say struct greater GREATR greater bool operator. We are defining constant t left, constant t right, return left, right. Then it's done. Then we can say greater here, greater int. Now we will remove it. Now let's run. It's the same. Okay? Yes. Now if we want to less than, as in standard template library, you can say less than struct less. Then you can simply change its order. Now we sorted it. We can copy it. Now we are sorting reversely. LESS. Now let's do it. Okay, it's sorted again. It's ascending order. This is descending order. This is ascending order. Okay, so we defined this. So in standard library, it is called like this. In standard std LESS, yes, like this. These two are the same actually. So this is function object. I will define to give you better understanding. We can, because in these days we can do this in. Now I will have it in ascending order. We can do this using lambda function, for example. Now we can say int constant int here left, constant int right. Then it should return bool. So we will return bool, return left this okay, right. Then okay, now we put here again, run it. Sorry, you have to put it like this. This is ascending order. Okay, so if we want to do descending order, say this is lambda function we learned in our previous session. Say if we want to in reverse order here, and we can simply change the order like this. I will disable all other things here. Comment like this. Okay, let's run. So this is descending order, this is ascending order. So we can do this using lambda functions, but before lambda function was created or implemented in C++ language, they use function object like this. There are some other places to use function object as well. I think that's good enough for function object. In some other videos, I will talk more about function object. Thank you for watching.